You have moderator now, Johnny Baldo Group. Pipas. Oi, hello. Huh? Where are they? Huh? Ah, no, you go first. Kasi ko nakita. All in one vlogs. My recipes, thank you so much for coming. Hi sister, like Dan sister. Thank you so much. All in one vlogs, my recipes. Guys, please do, please leave a comment to this live, guys, so that I can visit your channel after my live. Please leave a message, guys. Because when I finish my live, there's no comment section. There's no replay comment section. Please leave a comment to this live, guys, so that I can visit your channel after my live. Johnny Baldogro, thank you so much for coming. So I can pin your link. Let's try. Thank you so much. Guys, please support and connect each other, guys. Yeah, I have 40 minutes already. Yan, please support and connect each other, guys. Johnny Baldo, can please leave a comment to this live so that I can visit your channel after my live. Hi, hello, Johnny Baldo, bro. Oh, Epipas, hello. I just do 1 hour live, guys, 1 hour live. So I have 40 minutes now, 40 minutes. So I will end my live stream 20 minutes to go. Oh, today is Saturday. Asan na? Ba't bigla nang nawala? Nawala ng viewers ko. You are my song, playing so softly in my mind. I reach for you, kissing so near, yet so far. I hope and faith. Mami Isak and Isaac Vlog, thank you so much for coming. You have moderator na. Hello, Lods, watching from Lion Mix. Yan, thank you so much. Lods, Mami Isa and Isaac Vlog, thank you so much for coming. 1 hour lang po ako, Lods, Mami. Yan, 1 hour lang po ako, Lods, Mami Isa and Isaac Vlog. Isaac name mo din ba yan, Lods, Mami? Kasi Isaac name ng amo kong lalaki. Service Dam, thank you so much for coming, Service Dam. Service Dam, can you please leave a comment to this live, guys, so that I can visit after my live. I can visit your channel because there's no replay comment section of this live after I finish. So I can visit your live. Service Dam, I'm back with Leia. Oh, that's good. Service Dam, congratulations, Service Dam. Service Dam, congratulations. That's good news for me, Service Dam. That's good news, Service Dam. Congratulations to both of you.